Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today we are going to create something together. We are going to create a brass Christmas room inside a Dollar Tree box. And this Dollar Tree box, it's actually a product box. There were LED lights in this box and they were throwing it out at the Dollar Tree. It even has the button here that if you press it, you'll see what those lights look like. Now, those lights are not of any use for me in this project, but they're there. And so I'm showing you them because this is the box that was thrown away, so I asked for it. And this was at the Dollar Tree. So we are going to transform this box for this brass setting right here. So why don't you just sit back and watch what I do. But before we start that, this here is one of those decorative pads. It has a lot of pages, different pages, patterns, and I chose a pattern from there for this project, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This is the pattern that I chose. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And it goes so well with the brass. So this is what I chose, and I also chose this here that says "Let It Snow." It has the gold little flakes and all that. So why don't we start? I'm going to place the camera right here, and as you can see, I've already pre-cut my parts, my paper. So, okay, so we have this here. This is going to be the flooring. I've already cut it to the size of the box, so all I have to do is just slip it in here and it fits in perfect. Okay, so now we want to do the wall there, that wall. So what I'm going to do is I have the corner walls, which are these two, and I'm going to place them here, but first I have to place them with a little bit of tape, so I'm going to do that now. And we are going to add lighting to this project at the very end. So don't go away. Okay, so now I have my first part here, right? So I'm going to put it right there in the corner. Okay, and then the second part, which is this one. Okay, so far this is what it looks like. Okay, I love that paper. Okay, so let's continue. I have a border here of the same type of paper, but I have to put some tape on it, and I'm using double-sided tape. It's the best double-sided tape. So this is gonna go up on top here, right on there, right in there. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's starting to look like a room already, right? Okay, let's continue. I have this other piece that's going to go here. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. My double-sided tape. And I'm going to place it right in here. Right there. Okay, how does that look? It's coming along. So you know that piece that I showed you, this one, Let It Snow? That's going to go right there in the middle, the perfect square. So let's do that. I have to put a little bit of tape. And we are going to place it right there in the middle, right here. Right there. I want to make sure that I'm placing it right in the center. So excuse me for a minute. I just want to make sure that I'm positioning this straight correctly. There you go. See it right there? Isn't that beautiful? So let's continue. We have our floor, right? Now we have this beautiful table. This I bought at a yard sale. It was a community yard sale. And the last house that I hit they were selling these for $2 for the entire thing. $2. So let's place the table on here and see what it looks like. Okay. We have some chairs to match. Isn't that beautiful? But we are not finished yet. Let's see what else we can add. Now we want something nice on here. So what I did was, from some cutouts, some Christmas cutouts, I cut out these pieces so they could be like placemats. But I also have coasters. I have these coasters, and miraculously they fit perfect on this table. Look at that, same size. So I was thinking of using that, but I can also use the little cardboard placemats that I told you about. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe it looks more, well, it looks festive either way, whether I use that or use the placemats. And I do have a centerpiece that's going on top of the table. So it can look like this, or I can place this. I don't know. I think it looks good either way. Let's leave it like that for now. Okay, so we won't use this for now. Now let's place the camera here. Bear with me for a minute because I am adding other things to it. This here is a mirror, a compact mirror, but I'm not going to use it as a mirror. This is going to be closed up, and you'll see at the end what purpose it's going to serve. But for now, it's going right there. Okay. I could also maybe place it in the middle. Maybe that's what I'll do. It'll be like a rug. Look at that. And the chairs still fit. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, it does work. Whoever's sitting here can still have room for their legs. All right, let's just leave it there for now. Anyway, so what was the next thing? I have a little brass lady right here. Okay, I'm not finished. Then I have this beautiful, beautiful brass vase. I think it's like to hold plants in it. So I place some artificial plants in there. It's a pineapple. So why don't we place it right here in the corner? Okay, right there. Okay, I am not finished yet. I do have another piece here. It's a wooden piece and it's old, but I was thinking of placing a little sticker that I found in here. Let's see. This is like a sticker book, And I got it at, where did I get it? I think I got it at Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. See, it has all these patterns and things like that. I did see something that I did like in here. Oh, this, I might use these as doors, but we'll go back to that. Let's see, look at how beautiful this is. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I know I did see it somewhere here. Okay, I think it's here. You see this little piece here? It looks like it's the same size, and I think it does go well on there. So why don't we do that? We're going to take this sticker right here, and we are going to place it right here just to give it a nice border. Let's see. Just bear with me for a minute. I only have one hand here for the camera. There you go. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? Looks a little better. So we are going to use it like that. And we're going to place this right here. Little table. I could place it right there. How about right there? It can either be there or over there. But you know what? I might want to place like some type of door there. So let's leave it there. Then I do have some plates, plastic plates. So why don't we set the table right there. Now they cover the festive placemats, but that's okay. All right. Then what else? I do have another piece. Let's see. See these? These are decorative balls. I have a whole bunch in different sizes. So the little ones, the tiny ones, I placed them in this little transparent plastic container, and they're going to go as decoration in the corner here, right there in the corner. So that way I can place another item on top, like that. Okay. Let's see. Then I have these other pieces. These I planned to put here, but I didn't figure out like something to cover this hole with. I'll do that later on, but for now they're going to go right there. Okay. Alright, I am not finished yet. Let's see. Oh, I found a little cake. Look at that little cake. Alright, what else? There is another part to this. Now, I want to show you something. Okay, you see this? This I got at a flea market recently. And it's an ornament. You can tell by the little loop here. And what I did was I took some LED lights. You can see the battery pack right there. I took the battery, the LED lights, and I swirled them all around this chandelier. I mean, I'm making it a chandelier. It was an ornament. And it's lit up right now. I'll show you once we finish the product, you know, the project. I'll turn the lights off so that you can see. So, being that it's turned on and I've already swirled them around the ornament, we are going to use it in here. Isn't that beautiful? Look how that would look. Wow. Very fancy. So let's see how I can place that up here. Bear with me for a minute, please. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna hang it there. Okay, I know that you can see what I'm doing here. So, I'm trying to find a way to Right now I have double-sided tape there, but I could use something else eventually. Okay, right there. Perfect. Isn't that something? Look at that. And you know what I did? I used these little push pins. See these Martha Stewart push pins? And I placed one up there. I don't know if you can see it, but right up there. And this ornament fit right in. Look how well it holds that. This is the way it's looking. Then I had these drawers. And I said to myself, these would look great in there. And I thought of different ideas. Then I didn't have any use for them, but I'll just place one here for now. Doesn't want to stand up now. Well, let's leave that aside. I have another idea. I want to place like some type of door there. So remember what I showed you? Remember this? The sticker book? Let's look for those stickers that look like doors. Aren't those nice? Look at that. Oh, you know what? I just realized something. You see those little stickers there? Those would go great in the corners there. All right, we'll do that after the door. Let's do the door. So what color should we choose for that corner over there, that red corner? I think the green one. Just because there's a green border on the sides. So I'm going to take this green sticker, follow my finger, and I'm going to put it right there. It's going to serve as the door. Right there. Right there. But now I have to add some type of knob to it. So why don't we take one of these push pins and use them as a knob. I'm gonna place it right here. Okay. Right there. How does that look? It does look like a door, right? Now I do have something else. I'm not sure if I brought it with me. You know what? Let me go and get it. If you can stay right there and just look at everything while I get something else. I want to place a little. Okay, you see this here? This is an earring. Okay, an earring. So maybe this can go right here at the top of the door. So let me do that.